Hello, people of the internet. It is me, Avrey Charles. So you may have known me from my educational videos of Legos and cooking videos. And we haven't done a video in a while since I just So I just decided that, we can make a little planting video. To hopefully, get us some money and to show you how fun planting can be. Okay, so step one is to take our distilled water at the top and pour it into this tiny little hole. So step two is to add the plant food to the water. This is very important for this because it lacks the essential nutrients and plant food for our plants. Let's unscrew the top. And now we have to add 5 drops. Now we add 5 milliliters. This is going to take a while. But there is a faster way to do this, folks. Here we go. Okay, that's 5. Now we pour it into here. There we go. And screw it on. Okay, and now you also need to add B because A and B go together. Together just like peanut butter and jelly. We added 5, so let's pour it in here. There we go. And now we screw this back on. Now step 3 is taking our dirt pod and putting it in distilled water. You can push it around with your finger if you like to.
Let it soak.
We let it soak and let's wait. And then we'll wait. Step 4, we take our fully wet dirt pod and now we plant it, put it in the case and put it there. And now we're gonna do one of each seed. So let's get 1 apple. So get 1 apple seed that's slippery. Put it in there. And now we get 1 watermelon. Now we gotta get 1 watermelon. Put in here. And also, this is an important step. Make sure we label them. This is apple.
I'm sure that's the apple seed.
Mm-hmm.
How do you spell apple?
A-P-P-L-E. Okay, maybe I should write better.
How about use the table? Try it again.
Now look down. And let me spell something down here. P. Plum. That's this one right here. Okay. Now that we have our conclusion, here's all the steps. Step 1, fill this with distilled water. Step 2, pour A and B into there, depending on how much you have. Step 3, soak this in the distilled water and put into here when it's soaked. Step 4, plant the seed in there. Step 5, you can mark your seeds to figure out what you planted. Step 6, cover your seeds with these tops. This is important because it helps with the moisturizing of the water to make sure it does, with the dirt pod to make sure it doesn't dry up and your plant dies. Step 7 now. Step 8, we plug it in. And